Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are solving NBHM 2019 abstract algebra question number 1.5. So we are given that there is a group of order 10, so which could be the class equation of G. So there are few things which we need to know in this one. The first thing is, what is class equation? What are classes? We need to know. And what are the various parts of this which are used in finding the class equation. So I will tell each and everything is detailed, but first of all I'll tell you in short that simply you have order 10. If it is a group of order 10, then it is 2 into 5, right? You can break it. So it is of the form P into Q, where P and Q are primes, and P does not divide, sorry, P divides Q minus 1, right? Because 2 divides 5 minus 1, 4. So in that case we have that there are only two only groups, that is only two groups up to isomorphism of this order, of order P into Q, when P divides Q minus 1. And also we have their type. One of them is cyclic, that is of the form ZPQ. That is, in this particular case it will be of the form Z10, that is cyclic. And other is always non-abelian. So proceed, right? We have the idea of the group that one is Z10, other is non-abelian. Okay, so other one which is non-abelian will have a structure of the type D5, that is equation basically. So class equation is basically, you have that order of G, if it can be expressed as summation of all classes of all the elements of the group, right? So in the form of the classes. Now how to find out these classes is what we need to know. So what is a class of a particular element? If we are talking about class of A, suppose, then we have the collection of all those elements of the group. Suppose G is the group which we are talking about, such that X is conjugate of A. Then that is, it is basically the set of all conjugates of the element about which we are taking the class, right? Also, what is a conjugate is, conjugate means you are operating X and X inverse on both sides of A, like this. So all these collection of all these elements is a class basically. Okay, now let's define ZG, center. So what is center of a group? That is ZG. So ZG is basically the collection of all those A belong to G, elements of G, such that A is self conjugate. Now we know what is a conjugate. If it is self conjugate, that is A belong to G such that XA X inverse is coming out to be itself for all X, then it is self conjugate, because for all the X it is coming out to be itself, so it is self conjugate, right? Also we can say that basically from here we can say that all those elements which are commuting with A, right? So if we are commuting with A, now it's quite simple. We know that for a group which is cyclic, if it is a cyclic group, then the center it is equal to the group itself, right? So in that case what can you say about the class of every element? So if we have an element which is belonging to the center of the group, then class of A will be what? So isn't class of A going to be, because it is the element, all these elements only, so class of A will be itself only and no other element will come in the class. Can you see that? Right? Because of, we are taking the element of the center, right? So class is going to be the singleton A, right? So what we got from here is that A belong to ZG. Also, I said that group cyclic implies ZG is equal to G, right? So we can see that for all A belong to G, right? Because ZG is equal to G. The class of A, every element has its own conjugate only. That is, for every element, the class of A, it is equal to a singleton only. Now, what was my class equation? If we move back, class equation was, we were taking all the classes collection, right? Now if every element class has only a singleton element, then, oh sorry, there is one mistake in this is the order. We have to take the order. This is order, don't get confused, this is the order, right? Now order, or you can say that cardinality, not even order, I'm sorry, it should be cardinality of class of AI. Now cardinality of class of AI is 1 for all A belong to G. Therefore, class equation will be order of G is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1. How many times? Order of G times. So, this is how our class equation for a cyclic group goes. So, for a cyclic group, class equation basically is 1 plus 1 plus 1, number of times where n is equal to the order of the group, correct? So in this particular case for 10, it will become 1 plus 1 plus 1 10 times, right? 10 times, right? So without going into too much detail, I will simply tell you that class of any element always divides the order of group, right? So be it what, all of these elements which are contained in the class, they should, like if it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, then they should divide the order of G, that is 10. 2 divides, 1 divides, but neither 3 divides nor 4. So my second option is clearly wrong. This is finished, right? Now let's come to the last option, that is the third one. So moving back, we can see we were here that we have two type of elements and the second one is of the form D10, right? So D10 has a particular form of class equation. I'll just explain you the class equation of D10. So class equation of D10 is basically for any Dn, the class equation is 1 plus 2 plus 2, where if n is odd, only about odd I will talk. So if it is odd, then it is becomes n minus 1 upon 2 times plus n. For example, here we have that n is 5. Again it is odd, so 1 plus 2 plus 2, how many times? And plus 5, right? So this will come out to be 5 minus 1, that is 4 upon 2. So only 2 times this should come, right? And 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 5 is my equation of the other group of order 10. And they also, I said that there are only two groups of order 10, right? And one of them is Z10 and other is D10, D10 of order 10. And D10 we just found out the class equation of that, right? So clearly our third option are also wrong. Also you can see that here 1 plus 1 plus 1, this describes the order of ZG. Not going in too much detail, this describes the order of ZG, and this should also divide the order of the group. This is not dividing, so from here also this is not correct option. So only my first option is correct. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. also join my classroom. I will mention the link in the description box below.